Star of the lesson.
तो तनु माइक चाहिए होंगे. I hope सारे लोग इधर के पास से दिख रहे हैं. बट थोड़ी सी चेयर अपन देखो साइड. चलो हम देखेंगे. यार अब ये लोग प्लीज बाहर नहीं कोई जाएगा, अंदर आ जाओ.
पूरी मैं जोग जोए वाली आ भी गधे की फोटो खिंचती है बंदा देखी जाए बड़ा सोहना गधा
हाँ जी स्टार्ट करो बेटा जल्दी.
Respected ASPD English, Dr. Gini Dugar, ASPD RMSA, Shri Kamalji Singh Sodhi, all the DRPs and BRPs, good morning to all. So we, the team of Jalandhar, is here to perform the activity Star of the Lesson. And we have chosen the lesson, the Golden Touch, to perform this activity. Okay, before performing the activity, let me give a brief introduction of the activity. This is basically a lead-in activity that this leads to the lesson. This is done in the classroom before the introduction of the topic, before reading the lesson. So the objective of the activity is to get the active participation of the students, to arouse curiosity among the students about the topic, and to improve the skill of listening and speaking also. So in this activity, the teacher divides the class into groups. The groups depends on the strength of the class. Here we have divided the class into 2 groups. And teacher draws a star on the board and write down at each edge of the star a few keywords from the lesson. Each word that is written at each edge of the star has some connection with the story, and the students will try to guess that connection, that relation of the words with the story by asking questions. So they ask questions that which are answered only in yes or no by the teacher. And as a reward also, because this is a game, as a reward, something is given to the students. We will give here stars, because the name of the story is Star of the Lessons. We will stars to for every correct guess, a star will be given. And at end of the activity, the team with maximum stars will be declared the winner. So we will do the activity here in front of you.
Please switch off your mobile phones or either put them on the silent mode.
वॉल्यूम ठीक है जी आवाज आ रही है पीछे माइक दी सारन
आवाज आ रही है जी सारे लोग? हाँ जी. कंफर्टेबल हो सारे? यस. ठीक है.
डाइट से फोन कर दे जी आए मनोज दास जी बारे पूछ ला बड़ा डाइट से फोन कर ले.
Okay, today we will play a game actually. We will start the lesson, the Golden Touch. So before reading that lesson, we will play a game. And the name of the game is Star of the Lesson. What do you see here in front of you?
Star.
Star. Okay, what else?
Star.
Some words are written there, okay, around the star. So each word has some connection with the story, with the lesson, the Golden Touch. So your job is to guess that connection. How will you guess? By asking questions. Now what kind of questions you are going to ask that I can answer only in yes or no. And for every correct guess, a star will be given. And the team with maximum stars will be declared the winner. Okay, for every correct guess, a star will be given, and the team with maximum stars is declared the winner. Okay. For example, if you want to guess, I'm giving an example. For example, you want to guess the word Midas. Okay, what kind of questions you are going to ask? You can ask, is Midas a beggar in the lesson? The answer is no. Is Midas a poor man? Again, the answer is no. Is the Midas a rich man? No, the answer is yes. Is he a king in the lesson? Yes. So these kind of questions you are going to ask. Okay. What kind of questions you are going to ask? Okay. What will you get? Star. Okay. And then who will be the winner? With maximum star. Will you discuss the question before asking? Okay. Now, guess the word daughter.
Does the old man have any daughter?
Does the old man have any daughter? No. Come on, discuss and ask.
So does King Midas wish to have a daughter?
थोड़ा ऊंची बेटा, थोड़ा
No.
ऊंची बोलो।
No. Okay, just raise your hand if you want.
Raise your hand.
Yes, Midas has a daughter.
We want a star, sir. It's a star.
Star. Okay, for one star.
So first one is that.
Yes.
So we have learned two things. That there is a king called Midas and he has a daughter. Okay. Now guess the word foolish. Just raise your hand before asking.
Is the old man foolish? Is the old man foolish?
Oh, no, old man is wise in life. He's not foolish.
Is the king's daughter foolish? King's daughter foolish?
No.
Is Midas foolish?
Yes. Midas is foolish. Again a star for team A.
Clapping.
Okay. Midas is a king. He has a daughter and he is foolish. One more thing, one new thing that we have learned, that he is foolish man. Okay, now guess the word gold. Team B, you are not asking anything. Raise your hand.
Does the king Midas find a treasure of gold?
No, he doesn't find any treasure in the system.
Is the old man fond of gold?
No. Old man is not fond of gold here. Come on.
Is the king's daughter fond of gold?
No.
Sir, I'll tell you. Is the king Midas fond of gold?
Yes, Midas is fond of gold. So star for team
Sir,
B.
please star.
So a new thing that we have learned about Midas, that he is very much fond of gold. Now the next word, wish.
This is a little difficult, sir. Any hint?
Come on, try to guess it. I will give you a hint if you.
Does Midas wish to have wisdom? Does Midas wish to have wisdom?
He should have wished to have, but he did not.
Does Midas wish to have a son?
You are asking this because he has a daughter? No, he loves his daughter very much.
So does Midas wish to have more and more gold?
Yes, he is fond of gold. That's why he. Yes. Star for team A again. So he is fond of gold, so he wishes to have more and more money and gold. Okay, very good. Now the next word, the old man. There is one old man in the story also.
Is the old man foolish?
No, I told you earlier he is very wise in the sense.
Does Midas punish the old man?
No, he doesn't punish them.
पूरा कैम
Does Midas fulfill old man's wish?
No. Does the old man fulfill the king's wish?
Yes. The staff of Manjeet.
Second line and third line. You're discussing
King Midas
something.
wishes to have more and more money and gold, and the old man in the story grants a wish to the king. The wish, the golden touch. Okay, the last word, greedy. I think the answer is obvious now. Who is greedy in the story? You're greedy for stars.
Is the king's daughter greedy?
No.
No, it's Midas who's greedy. It's Midas who's greedy.
Ask it again. Question.
Is Midas greedy?
Yes. Midas is greedy in the story. Very good.
अपने गिराओ बैठे
So, the overview of the lesson that we have got is there's a king called Midas in the story. He has a daughter. He's foolish. He's fond of gold and he wishes to have more and more money and gold. And the old man, the wise old man, grants a wish to the king. What's the name of the wish that he granted him?
golden touch.
Yes. And he's a greedy man. He's foolish because of his greediness. Okay. These things that we have already guessed. Let's show the flashcards. Like there is a king, and he has a daughter. What do you see in the picture? He's fond of gold. Okay.
Then he's fond of gold.
Yes. And there are two persons in the picture.
So one is the wise man.
The old man who grants a wish to the king, Midas. Okay. You can have a close look at the flashcard.
Sir, please give me one. Even I want to see.
Now, just raise your hand. Show me the back of your palm. Let me see who has got more stars. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sir, here,
Okay, 4 stars for B and A. That's not teaching. 1 star, 2.
Yes.
B has got only 2 stars. So, who is the winner? Team A. Clapping for Team A.